The digital workplace in 2023, what businesses need to know. A digital workplace consists of all of the technologies teams use every day. However, companies sometimes struggle to create a cohesive digital workplace, which may leave employees feeling confused and disconnected. A digital workplace serves as a virtual office and incorporates the applications and systems companies use for their work. These cloud-based platforms act as a virtual replacement for the physical office and typically include features for internal communication, file storage, and content management. While a digital workplace is similar to an intranet system, it's a bit more sophisticated in that it usually includes the ability to customize pages, define user groups, and interact with others. With a digital workplace, team members can automate administrative tasks, generate data-rich reports about user engagement, and manage projects more efficiently. The greatest advantage of a digital workplace platform is that it dramatically improves communication, from top-down directives to everyday exchanges between employees who are collaborating on a project. A digital workplace will centralize the technologies and tools that employees need to perform their job effectively, including content management systems, knowledge management systems, content sharing and collaboration tools. Digital workplaces are versatile, and businesses may use them in a variety of ways. A digital workplace gives employees what they need to be successful, whether that's instant access to knowledge or a visual representation of project timelines. Creating and maintaining a company culture is challenging with a hybrid or fully remote work environment. It provides a means of open communication, lets users react to and share each other's content, and gives leadership a way to demonstrate their commitment to core values. The right tech, such as employee engagement analytics, helps leadership see whether people are engaging with a digital workplace and the types of content they search for and engage with. The main types of digital communication in business are bottom-up, top-down, lateral, and external. What are the benefits of a digital workplace? Better employee experience, improved transparency, cohesive collaboration, and knowledge sharing, greater remote work capacity, automated processes, app integrations, better talent recruitment and retention, increased profitability. Now's the time to go digital. By the year 2025, an estimated 36.2 million US employees will be working remotely. That means now is the time for companies to set up the systems that will help those workers succeed in their roles. Happeo's social digital intranet platform improves productivity, communication, and the employee experience. If you're ready for a digital workplace transformation, we invite you to try Happeo. Sign up for your demo now.